It's been a long time since my last video here. We did a challenge with Jonny Mak, you can see it here. We have redesigned the portal sounds. We did it by using our recordings from bathrooms, but today I want to show you a different way to do it. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. Of course, the comment section is for you. It's nice to have some interactions with viewers. As I said, we did it again with sound banks, and this video is brought to you by Soundly. If you don't know what Soundly is, I will give you a brief look what you can do with it. So this is how Soundly looks. On the left side you can choose between libraries, Soundly's free sound and your own. Simple search what you need by keywords or tags. Here you can see names, duration, format and source library. You can mark a piece of sound you want. Also slow down, speed up, change gain, reverse, convert to mono. Then simple drag and drop to your DAW or double click if you use Pro Tools. Soundly gives you thousands of audio files with an active subscriptions, but if you need more you can also check the store to find what you're looking for and buy another sound banks. Go to getsoundly.com and download your app. It's both for Windows and Mac users. One more thing. At the end of this video, me and Jonny will give you codes for 30-day free Soundly subscriptions for the first 100 people. Thanks, Soundly. So take a look at my session. Everything here is from Soundly. And this is what Jonny made. Sounds great. Remember, be sure to go to getsoundly.com and try it for free for 30 days. Here is the code. I will put it in description too. Take care and see you next time.